Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items on Wishlist on your Walmart app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Walmart app over here. As soon as you open up your Walmart app, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now for you to create your list, you're gonna be going to my items at the bottom, going to the list section and tapping on create a wish list. So you can create your wish list over here. Tap on continue, add in the date as well over here. For a special date, add in the address and tap on create wish list. Or you want to simply create a normal list, tap on create a list, tap on here, add in the name, tap on create, and there we go, your list has been created. Now let's go ahead, add the item. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose an item for me to add. Once I've chose the item, I'm going to tap on this little heart icon, which is the favorite icon. I'm going to favorite, tap on view, and I'm going to choose the manage item. And you can see my item has been added in this particular wish list. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to simply go back to the shop, and there we go. I can do that to any other product as well. I simply have to tap on it, tap on this little icon over here. I can tap on view, and you can see it has been added to this list. You will be able to save it like that and add the products. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.